Channel. Today we will explain what the difference between good manufacturing practices GMP and good laboratory practices GLP. We'll just have a small hint about these two terms, and you can later on search on the internet to read more information about these two terms. Let's start with the GMP, good manufacturing practices. It used to ensure the following: ensuring that the manufacturing processes is free from any hazard on the product, either physical hazard, chemical hazard, or biological or allergen hazard. Ensuring that the laws and regulations are followed. Ensuring that all the cleaning and sanitation instructions are applied and implemented. Also, the GMP are responsible to control all the SOPs used. This stands for the standard operating procedures. Ensuring that all the products are not cheated or food fraud. Ensure that the personal hygiene standards are implemented. This point of the personal hygiene standard are one of the most important things related to the GMP. Also, ensuring the good storage and good preservation for the raw materials and finished products. The GMP also used to evaluate the effectiveness of the training on the GMP on all the team. And let's now talk about the GLP, or good laboratory practices. Its duty are ensuring thoroughly implementing of measurements and laboratory analysis. Ensure the calibration of devices used in measurement to avoid any erroneous readings. Ensure that all data, measurement results, and laboratory analysis are recorded in special documents. Ensure that all the materials used in the laboratory are defined and stored in the designed areas, and also have its MSDS, or the material safety data sheet of each chemical. Ensuring that all the materials used in the laboratory have a valid shelf life, not expired, and also the evaluating of the effectiveness of the training on the GLP on all the team. We wish all of you good luck, and we also wait for any feedback you will provide us in Simplyfoodea YouTube channel. If you like the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share the video, and best of luck to all of you. Thank you all. Channel. Today we will explain what the